Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. This is Adroit binary option, Adroit-BO for short. Okay, to the quote of the day. I certainly feel success in trading is 60% psychological and 20% one's methodology, be it fundamental or technical. Well, that is by Mark Douglas from his book, The Disciplined Trader. What do I have for you today? Check it out. Yeah, binary option. Yeah, this is starting point for everyone who wants to go into binary option. If you don't have this, don't go for that. Just check it out. What are we looking at? We're looking at what is binary option, what assets are traded, how do I participate in binary option, call pools, buy sell, ITM, OTM, how much can you make, do you need any knowledge to make money, what do you need to know to make consistent profits, the fastest route to the end of the road, and finally this is the deal. All right, what is binary option? In my simple definition, I said it is a simple way of trading forex, but in a fixed time interval and fixed return on investment. Sorry for the word forex there. There's no only forex that is trade on binary option. You trade stock, you trade other things. Well, you see that. Okay, look, for example, if you speculate that the price of a stock or currency will gain more by next month and you bought it, if the price of the stock rises after 1 month, you get a profit, and if not, you will lose. The money you pay to buy the stock currency pair is called premium. I think that is clear, but you can check it out, look at it, pause and look at it again. According to Investopedia, binary option is a financial product where the buyer receives a payout or loses the investment based on if the option expires in the money. Well, what does that in the money mean? You see it as you move on with me. All right, that is what Wikipedia has to say about binary option. You can look at that again and read it. Okay, do you need any? Okay, let's look at it. Do you know nothing about forex? Well, if you know nothing about forex, then you can visit this site, www.pppips.com. Yes, I learned a lot when I was starting out in this journey, and you learned a lot from there. You learn from kindergarten, you learn to higher institution. That is an institution, financial institution for learning, and it is free of charge. What assets are traded? Okay, I said we can trade forex. Well, this is forex, currency pairs. That is foreign exchange in short. You can trade the major and cross currency pairs. You can trade Euro USD, USD JPY. You have seen that before. You can check it out again. Commodities. That was why I apologize for what I said earlier. Not only forex can be traded on binary option. You can also trade commodities. You can trade Brent. You can trade gold. You can trade silver. You can also trade stocks like Google, Apple, Tesla. You can trade indices. You can trade Dow Jones. You can trade Hang Seng. You can trade S&P 500. Cryptocurrencies. Yeah. Ethereum, BTC, USD. Yeah, you can trade any of these cryptocurrencies. All right, how do I participate in binary option? Well, if you don't know, then look at these guys. Well, these are the people that allow you to trade in what's called binary option. These guys are called brokers. Yeah, they provide platforms where you can trade on binary option, IK-option, Olymptrade, Binomo, Binary Sense, based on where your location is. That is the one you can use. For Africans, you can use IK-option, you can use Olymptrade. I think you can use any of it. Just provide some documents, and if you are certified, then you can trade. Nadex is especially for US citizen. FinRally and Binary Sense are for Australian citizen. Well, not only you can also trade there, but some of these cannot be traded by you. So you can check it out in their what's called broker website, so you can know the ones you can trade. All right, ITM, OTM, ATM, TF. What do they all mean? ITM simply means in the morning. That means you have a win. When you predict the the direction of the price in a given time correctly, then you have an ITM, you have a win, then you get some percentage out of the money. You lose your premium that I said earlier. You lose your premium if you predicted wrongly, so you lose your money when you predict wrongly. ATM means at the money. That means the position where you take your trade, the currency, the price move up and down but remained at that same spot after your time has elapsed. Yeah, then you have a break even. You do not lose, you do not gain anything. Time frame means that TF means time frame, and ET means expiry time. Well, you will not get that, but let's look for that so you can get it better. Okay, this is a screenshot of one trade I took like that. Well, this is 22nd of February of April, sorry, this year. I took this trade, and look at what I have. All right, okay, what do I have? Let me explain everything with this chart to you. This things you are seeing, this red and green, they are called candlesticks, and they are the directions in which markets move in a given time period. That is the time frame. This is the time frame 2M. You can see this 2M here. This time frame can vary. It can vary from 5 seconds to days to months. But for a binary trader, well, you don't need more than 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Well, the better the time frame, the higher the noise in the market and the greater your chances of winning. But you have to wait for a very long time. Okay, let me give you a more better explanation. This candlestick is a type of chart. We have other charts. We have the bar chart and we have the line chart. Well, if you want to use that, you can see that later in their chart. What's called their platform. All right, I said this red and green are called candlestick. Okay, let me explain some little thing about it. Look at where my mouse is currently. If you look at this long green candle, it means price rise from here to this point. This is where the price opened and this is where the price closed. The place where the price opened is called open and where it closed is called close. And the maximum point reached by a chart by a candlestick is called the high, and the lowest point is called a low. All right, look at this red candle. After this long candle, this point is a low and this point is the high. But for red candles, I say for green candle, the bottom is the open, the top is the close. But for red candle, the top is the open, the bottom is the close. Please understand that. Okay, I said this candle, each of these candle represent 2 minutes. Look at 2M. If it was 1M, that means it is 1 minute. Okay, this higher and lower, that is what the time, that means your OTM or your ITM. If look at, for now, when after this candle I predicted that price will go up, and as you can see, price was going up. If after 2 minutes this candle remains green, that it is up, it can be green and be lower than this, I will lose. But if it is up, then I have an ITM. But it is down, it was down, a red candle, then I have an OTM. But if it remains at this point, look at my mouse, then is an ATM. The time frame, I explained that. The expiry time, look at, this is where you select time. Currently, I think the time here is 5:44 or 5:45. So after 5:46, if my prediction was higher than where I predicted, then I have a win, I have an ITM. So understand that this is the expiry time. I think my own expiry time was 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, the price still remains up, so I have a win. I believe you understand that. You may still need to look more to get more about that. All right, so how much can you make? As much as you want to. It's as simple as that. All right, okay, look at this. Is a screenshot of IQ Option Facebook page. You can see it's a verified Facebook page. All right, look at this. A trader from Malaysia. For the week, every week you can get this from your Facebook. If you have a Facebook account, just check IQ Option, you can see it. Well, don't be deceived, you can see something like small I and Q and option or IQ Options. Well, those are fake accounts. Look at that, it is verified IQ Option. So you see every week, at the end of the week, they release top traders and worst trader. Best, you can see best and worst trader. The best trader had $76,000 win, while the worst trader had minus 92,000 loss. So you can make as much as that, but these are for professional traders. Please just try to practice on demo accounts. Practice, so you can make those type of money. Okay, do you need any knowledge to make money? Yes. Yeah. I can assure you, you need a lot of knowledge to make money. Money does not just come just like that in binary option. If you see people telling you, yeah, you can make $1 million, you can, oh, please get off it. You need knowledge. Yeah, you need. Yes, I said you need a lot of knowledge of trading these basic financial instruments. All right. What do you need to make consistent profit? Number one, you need to know what is happening in the market. Number two, you need to know the market is all about buying and selling. Yes, that green candle, that red candle, they are all about buying and selling. When people are buying, the candle becomes green. When they are selling, the candle becomes red. All right. What else? You need to know the type of market. There are two major types of market. We have the trending market and we have ranging markets. You also need to know market important points like the SNR level. This simply means the support and resistance level. You need to know Rn, that is a round number. You know what round number is in your mathematics, like number ending with 00 or number ending with 5. Yeah, multiple of 5 and zeros. Yeah, that's your right number. So you need to be very careful of those points. You also need to know pivot points. Yeah, all right. What again do you need to know? You need to know market analysis. You must be able to analyze the market. And what are the type of analysis? We have technical analysis, we have fundamental analysis, we have sentimental analysis. Well, this sentimental analysis may be more of a forex trader, someone who is going into big time forex trading and not bounded forex trading. A time bounded forex trading is binary option. So if you are going to time bounded forex trading, you don't need sentimental analysis. But you need fundamental analysis, because that is the news. Sometimes you analyze markets well with your technical skills, but a news is released and the market goes against you. So please be careful. So these are the analysis you need to know. What again? You need this secret weapon to binary option trading. And what is it? Like candlestick psychology. You must know what that candlestick is telling you. Yes, there's a story behind every candlestick. Well, if you join me on my channel, you will continue with us. You get a lot of videos. Yes, we'll be releasing a load of videos every week, bringing videos every week for you, just for you to make success, to be successful in this field. Yeah, just come to this channel every time when you are on the internet, so you can check and learn more about binary option. All right. What is the fastest route to the end of the road? Wow. Okay. Look at this is what I have for you. Look at if you use Telegram very well and you are in some group, you see a lot of this. Don't believe it. Yeah, they'll tell you. Of course, I know with time, when views start increasing on this video on YouTube, people will start putting the same thing like this. Please don't mind them. I will do my best to remove every one of it when I see them. But in case you see it, don't believe these guys. They'll tell you you pay some amount of dollars and you get times 10 of it. There's nothing like, if that is possible, then there's nothing like, this is money doubling scheme and it's a scam. Don't fall for them. I remember I started my investments with just $350. Don't mind them. There's nothing like that. Please avoid them. I'm begging you, just avoid them. If you fail to avoid them, you regret it later. Okay, so that is the fastest route to the end of the road. If you fall their victim, you had any money, you lose it to them, I'm sorry, there's nothing I can do. Again, you fall another victim, because you see some people coming up again, they'll tell you they can help you to retract your money. They'll take more money from you and you just continue the cycle. You continue as a loop. All right, what else? This is the real deal. What is that real deal? The real deal is Telegram name Adroit-BO. Yes, we have a YouTube channel, but we also have a Telegram channel that is called Adroit-BO. We give free signals every day, and I mean it every day, and we have been having fantastic results of over 70% accuracy. Yeah, I know what you want to hear. We have 90% accuracy, we have 100%. No, we don't. We have 70%, and we don't do martingale. So if we give out 10 signals, at least 7 of our signals will be an ITM. So that is just all we do. Okay, this is the signal. You can just look at this and find it on Telegram. So join us on that Telegram channel. We are real. We don't hide anything to what we do. We do it free and free. We are also planning some big things for everyone who will join that channel. So please, as you are watching this video, you can just click that link. Yes, it's down below you. Yes, yeah, in my video description, you see it there. Click on that link and join us on Telegram. Well, do we have results? Yes, we have loads of results. So let me just flip through to show you some of our results. Great results so far. Look at this. Is a signal I gave. And one thing is, I don't just give signal, I use them. Yeah. So this is the signal I gave. I also took the trade because I analyze the markets with the chart. So as I'm giving the signal, I'm also taking the trade. So I took this signal. I gave this signal. There were 3 that I gave, but I took 2 screenshots. And the 2 screenshots I took were ITM. So you can see, yeah, my prediction was very, very correct. This is one. This is another one I have here. You can see my prediction was also correct, was very, very correct. We have a lot for you. These are now results. Yeah, look at 10 straight ITMs. 10. I'm not telling you that this is how it happens every time. No. Sometimes when I do analysis, I also take some trade to perfect my skills. Yeah. So please look at it. There's not just, they are not scam. Yeah, they are real. And you may be looking, it's just a practice account. Yeah, we have real accounts that what you use on the practice account, you can also use it on a real account and you get the same result. So don't be fooled, don't be deceived. Please join us on that Telegram channel. All right. So finally, these are results, a compiled results for 4th of May to 8th of May. What do we have there? We have total of 16 signals. You can see it here. 11 ITM, 4 OTM, 1 ATM. This ATM, the market did not leave the position where we predicted it and remain there. So that's why we have an OTM. So we have 16 signals for a week. If you have some good accounts, you know what your account will be saying after the end of the week. So please join us on that channel, and we'll all enjoy being there. So please, love you all. Subscribe to this channel, like my video, invite more.